Well, it's just me at the end of the day. Well, I say the end of the day, it's actually the next day, it's the morning and I'm here early. But this one's finished, so this is a Supercharged FN2. I've got the graph, it's done well. We'll have a look at the graph in a minute. But yeah, this one came in, it'd been mapped many years ago by TTS. And yeah, I think he just wanted it freshened up. It was on Honda, and he wanted the Ecutek customized maps and the ability for things like launch control, amongst other features like auto blip. He is a track enthusiast, so he wanted the flat foot shifted and things like that, which we have done because it's Ecutek software. Yeah, and it's done really well. It's made 360 brake horsepower ish, give or take, and yeah, performs well. We've put 1000cc Bosch injectors in this. It was on some old 700cc injectors that yeah, let's be honest, they were sometime old. I believe that the Honda that he had, the injectors, things like that, these may have been second-hand parts back in the day, all part of the original kit, but it seems to be performing well. And obviously we like Bosch injectors because we rely on them and they haven't let us down. They're just quality kit. So if you're watching Cliff, thanks very much. But yeah, another great car, This will be a screamer. This is already melted the bumper at some point prior to us getting it, but it has got a Dynodaze 3-inch exhaust system on it. So that's why it sounds so good. It's got a tone very different, I think, to some other supercharged FN2s that we've seen. It sounds very aggressive. So I really like that. And obviously that's always my favourite part of the video, the bit where I'm behind it getting deafened and covered in flames. But yeah, there we go, another one in the bag. Let's go look at the graph. Okay, so that's a ski slope, isn't it? That's your final results. And extremely linear, as you would expect for a supercharger. And we finish on just shy of 360 brake horsepower, which is 358, 325 at the wheels. Yeah, what a stunner. It's going to be quick, that. Very, very quick. So thanks for getting to the end of this video. Bit of an ad hoc video, really, because it was after hours and we stayed late. But there you go. Another one in the bag. A wicked supercharged FN2. See you on the next one.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.